This video presents a medial meniscus posterior root tear, MMPRT, repair technique using arthroscopic transtibial pullout repair, ATPR, combined with tibial condylar valgus osteotomy, TCVO. The aim of this technique is to repair the posterior root of the medial meniscus while correcting the force line through osteotomy, opening the joint gap, and improving the joint surface fit. The patient is placed in a supine position. A 5 to 7 centimeters incision is made from the medial central point of the tibia to separate and lift the medial collateral ligament along with the medial cortical bone of the tibia. The anatomical locking steel plate is placed on the inner side of the tibial plateau below the goosefoot tendon and fixed with a Kirschner wire. Confirm the position, satisfied by fluoroscopy. Use an electric knife to mark an approximately L-shaped osteotomy line on the bone surface. Insert a 2.0 mm Kirschner wire under fluoroscopy. Use a thin bone knife with a scale to drive the osteotomy in the direction of the Kirschner wire and preserve the bone cortex at the proximal end of the tibia. Start the bracing process after the osteotomy is completed. Intraoperative fluoroscopy showing osteotomy. Move the medial collateral ligament and the bone fragment at the tibial insertion point upwards, and then fix it with the medial anatomical plate of the tibial plateau. Traction. Repair under arthroscopy. Use a probe to confirm the posterior root tear of the medial meniscus. Repair the damaged inner meniscus and apply sutures and hooks to the edge of the tear using a 5.0 mm vertical mattress suture. Create a tibial tunnel on the posterior root attachment of the medial meniscus using an anterior cruciate ligament reconstruction guide. Guide the suture out of the tibial tunnel through an in-haul cable and pass it through a loop steel plate on the anterior inner surface of the tibia, tying the tail thread tightly on the steel plate.